It is this activity where students unleash their potentials in sports and arts and eventually home.
Dapat landscape ka na.
This activity also unleashes the students' boredom of their daily routine classroom activities. So today, NSSS takes its own turn to having to. My dear students, listen. Doktor, may pakansin ko na may class. Sportsmanship at all times. Teamwork and discipline are essential, especially when playing in a team or group. Always have the spirit of camaraderie, understanding and support for one another. Hopefully, there will be athletes from our school who will advance themselves to R1AA after the World Cup.
Journalist ka
Who
rin.
knows? Some of them will either be national or international leaders in sports and arts competitions. At this juncture, I would like to thank everyone who are behind the possibility of this event. Welcome everyone, and please, wag mag-away-away, mag-alala kayo at mag-enjoy. It is not how you win, it matters. Good morning once again, and welcome to the 2025 NSSF Intramuros. God bless us all.
Once again, let's give a round of applause to our Picture 6, Ms. Rita Plata. Athletes, may I request each one of